Morning everybody. As you can see, it's a very rainy morning, but I promised you a mini charity shop series this week, so today is day 2 of that. We are going charity shopping. Yesterday was a little bit of a dud, but I did get that cashmere cardi out of it, so winner I suppose. Well, it wasn't even a winner, it was just a winner and a bit of a loss yesterday because I ended up going home early. Like, I was riddled with anxiety, but sometimes charity shopping do be like that. But yeah, we're going to try again today. So I've come to Redruth now, and I'm going to head down to the bargain outlet, like Cornwall Hospice charity shop. It's the one down by the sewing studio. I figure we just go there first because I always get like a ton of luck in there. So we're going to head there first, then go up through the town, visit British Heart Foundation, Oxfam, and then probably the Canine Crusaders one. I'm still 50-50 whether or not the cancer research is still open, because that shop I heard was shutting down at the end of January. So we will see. Fingers crossed it might be our last ever visit there. But let's get down to the bargain outlet one first and see what they have. So this shop here is always super duper full. The clothing is £1 per item, doesn't matter what it is, it's just £1. And then what's the kids today? The kids price is always changed, but at the moment today it's a 3 for £1. First find of the day, St Michael's trousers, but look at the fabric on that. Tell me that's not absolutely gorgeous. That's giving me like Liberty vibes. Obviously these are £1. What is the fabric makeup of it? 90% cotton. I'm going to pick those up just for the fabric. I'm going to DIY them. They are fabulous. Look at the trousers though, but fabric, yes. Again, another find. These are linen trousers. They're 98% linen and then 2% viscose, which is a nice blend, but great again for upcycling, and especially with spring coming around the corner, like that yellow colour, I think they would work out great. Realise that my camera was a little bit flickery. Also something to look out for in terms of like fabrics, it's always like bedding and everything, because sometimes you can get some really good pieces. Look at all the lace ruffly edge on there, that's so cute. Oh, that one's a curtain. Look at that. So a nice thick fabric there with cute little roses on. You've got all this lace detailing as well, which you can obviously do something with, and all the linens and stuff in the shop are £1. So can you go wrong? No, not really. Obviously some of them are duds, like you've got some really faded bits here, but sometimes you can find some real good pieces. It's just a case of really searching through. Look at that nice red fabric there, so you could do something really good with that for Valentine's Day crafts or something, or of course if it fits you and it looks nice, then just straight up as it is anyway. So here's the men's section, all very organised, all very neat in here today. So a nice jean there, nice colour. What's this? Like a cardi or something. It's like a little knitted number. Almost like a poncho. Cute. Bit of a butter yellow shirt. Very nice. So I got a couple of bits in there. I got those floral trousers that I said I really like the fabric on. And then I put back the linen trousers because I think I could do with something just a little bit thicker for my crafts, and I don't have a use for yellow trousers at the moment for myself anyway. So I put those back even though they were a good find. And I also picked up a little dress. I will show you when I get home later. I might save everything in my videos this week for a haul at the end of the week. We'll see how it goes. But for now though, I'm going to go back up into town and we're going to go British Heart Foundation. Let's go. Try not to get run over in the process. See a little bit of Valentine's in here. Look at that. A nice little red and pink display. Oh, gorgeous. Let's go see what they have. Gorgeous little top there. Look at that, perfect for Valentine's. £3 on that one. That's so sweet, isn't it? Where is it from originally? Shein, but it is cute and very on trend. So what else? They got another little Valentine's jumper. Again, I think Shein, but £3. I remember seeing these in Next recently, actually. There we are, that Next newer tags. And they are £5. Bargain. Bit short for me for a 12 petite.
So if you're that size, a little cardi here, it's just a Primark number, but it's got gorgeous buttons and £1.50. A little bargain. A nice coast jumper for just £4 feels lovely. Great for Valentine's. I'm looking for a pink cardi myself. So it's fun, little nautical vibe. £4 originally says. Little Zara short sleeve knit for £3. Look at this for a nice coat, a Whistles coat for £13. A lovely long line grey oversized one. And this is nice 14, so it would fit me. I'm just not in the kind of market for any new coats at the moment, but that is a lovely one. Look at that as well, I'll just take the tag. 69% wool on that, 25% viscose, and only 6% nylon. How gorgeous is that? I am half tempted. Okay, I've come into Oxfam now, just have a little peep around. I spotted this cardigan. H&M, extra large, £6.99. Look how cute that was. Gorgeous, you know me and a cardi. I do love a cardi. Weird fish, extra large, look. £5.99. BARG. Got some nice M&S joggers here. These feel great. New, £4.99. They've got new M&S stuff in here. These feel incredible. Look quite nice and smart. They do as well. It's a bit of denim. Nice. Again, M&S. Oh golly. This is pretty cool. It's Primark £4.99, but it's a Simpsons which choose you. What's that for Valentine's Day? £4.99, but definitely feels brand new, like it hasn't been worn.
Not much going on in there. Look how sad the shops are. Everything's shut down. I can't believe that this charity shop over here is shutting down too. The people in that last one and the British Heart Foundation were talking about how much it is a shame that this cancer research is shut down, because apparently it's been open for more than 30 years, which is crazy. Apparently the volunteers are really sad that it is shut down, but apparently it's a rent thing where the rent's due on the building or something, so they can't afford to renew the lease, which is kind of sad. I feel like that's kind of happening all over, isn't it? But what can you do?
Tell me this isn't the craziest teapot you've ever seen. It's a rooster with a teapot. £5. Kind of just want to buy it out for the jokes, really, because it's so funny. Just having a quick rummage through this little bottom box. They're all like individually priced and stuff, but very good. Lots of little beads like this was at £2, but I'm looking for some little heart buttons, so I'd rather check out the charity shops first of all. See if I can buy anything before buying them online, really, because you never know. Sometimes you do get lucky. Look at those. They've got those little Japanese sweets like that shade, don't they? Don't think I'm getting lucky with any buttons of my choice today. Got those little toggles. Oh, probably an Amazon job where I'm going to have to search out there, but you know, worth a look. Some giant beads.
So I am back from the charity shop now. Look at my hair. Boy, oh boy, did I get absolutely rained on. It was crazy out there, so I thought I'd cut the video short. Didn't want to ruin the camera. So what I ended up picking up today, we got a little bit luckier than yesterday in the terms that I bought 3 things. So I picked up the Whistles coat. This is just going to be a nice like posh coat. When I went to the Panto this year, like I like to wear like a nice jacket. I felt like I was really missing something like this, so I thought, you know what, for £13 I'm just going to pick it up. You can't even get cheaper than that in Primark these days, can you? So it's just a really nice kind of grey blazer coat with like I said in the shop, 69% wool. It's by the brand Whistles, which if you know, it is expensive. I did give it a little bit of a Google, and this coat originally retailed for £250. There it is, that's the label to keep an eye out for, just if you're looking for a bit of a bargain. So very happy with that. Condition of it is absolutely lovely, no marks, anything like that. So yeah, really pleased to have found that. I didn't need another jacket, but like I said, I am lacking in the kind of smarter jacket kind of section. I do have like a smart black jacket like that, but I tend to wear it to funerals, and now it feels a bit morbid wearing it out. So I did buy the little overall trousers. I'm going to upcycle these, turn them into something. I was thinking about making like a little zipper pouch or something like that. That would be nice. A nice little quilted one. But look how lovely that fabric is. Sorry if the lighting's really bad, by the way. It's really, really dark. It's so rainy. What is it like? This is why I don't typically film in kind of January, February time. But yeah, really liked those just for the fabric. Like I said, I did skip the yellow linen ones. I was going to go for them being only £1, save up that yellow fabric, especially coming into spring. I'll probably regret it, but I just, yeah, I thought I could do with a bit thicker of a fabric. It was quite a thin one, that one. But I did pick up this little dress, just a smock dress, leopard print. I think that's kind of cool. I do. It's not for me, it's for someone I know, but £4 I thought I'd pick that up for them because I think they'd really like that. They do love a little bit of a leopard print. This is just a Tesco. It did say size 10 on there, and it said size 10 on the actual label as well, but it is a size 14, so definitely, you know, keep your eye out on the labels as always. I think they just took the US 10 there, but yeah, a friend of mine, this will fit her perfectly, and it's right up her street. She loves wearing stuff like this with little Doc Martens, so I can't wait to give that to her. But that was just £1, so I thought of her and picked that up. It's always nice when people think of you in the charity shops, isn't it, and buy you a little something. So that's all I got for today. I'm very reserved with my spending as always, just trying to buy things that are kind of, you know, really necessary or whatnot. Really quite embarrassed about the state of my hair now. This is the jumper. I spotted another one of these yesterday in the charity shop. Actually, I bought this one here in Truro last year or so. I think it was £6, and in the Camborne Air Ambulance they had one in there for £4.50 yesterday, so really good price. Just Tesco, I think this is, with like, you know, where it does the percentage of wool or something. I think it's what is it? It's 55% acrylic, bad. Oh, 10% wool. See, it feels nice, it fits nice. But yeah, that's all I got today. It was a bit of a dud. I feel like tomorrow we have to go somewhere a bit posher, a bit more upmarket, so we can maybe turn this thing around. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. That will be a day 3 out of 5 for this week. I'm thinking maybe St Ives. Should we do St Ives? I haven't been there in a while, and I think that would be a nice day out. If it's not raining so much, that's where I'll go. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow for another one. Bye.